Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Guess what I have today? I have a Trendmood, so let's get in it and check it out. Trendmood is one of those boxes that before we ever open it, we know what's in here because we follow Sophie over on Instagram, and before she releases a box, she tells us everything that's going to be in it and how much it's going to cost because they are all different. She does what I would say works out to about one a month. I think sometimes it gets a little closer together than that. Like she just did a Tatcha one, which I didn't get because I couldn't wear a couple of the products in it, but it hadn't been a month since this one came out. So sometimes they get closer together, but as a rule, it's about once a month. But you can't subscribe to the boxes. You have to go over and purchase them each time she sells one. And I hear, because I didn't do it, that the Tatcha box sold out in 1 minute. That's pretty fast. And she had a lot of them. She showed a truck full of them. So, I mean, good for her. She's selling products that people want. And it was like $69, and I forget how much value it had in it, but it was a lot. So let's get in here while I tell you this box that Sophie put together is all Black-owned brands, and all of the profits from it are going to the NAACP. And I am trying to be so much more aware of all of the choices that I make, and I just loved the idea of what Sophie was doing here. So let's get in and check this out. I can't remember sitting right here exactly what this costs, but I will be telling you right now how much this cost. But I remember at the time thinking, that's a really great deal for what we're getting. And I love the opportunity to try some brands. Actually, at least one of these brands I know that I use, but the rest I am so happy to get a chance to try. So digging right into the first lipstick, it's from Propa or Propa Beauty, I'm not sure which, and it's the Luminous Satin Lipstick, and I got it in Limitless. And that is what it looks like. That is what the packaging looks like, and the top has their branding on it. And that is what it looks like. It is so pretty. It's kind of a cross between maybe a rust and a burgundy. Let's swatch it and find out. Oh, it feels so creamy and nice. You're gonna be able to see that, I'm sure, when I show you. It's not the best color for me, but see how creamy and satiny that is? That is just gorgeous. I am gonna try and wear this in fall. I have been saying for the last month or two to you guys, I am trying new colors. I mean, warm isn't where I go instinctively, but I'm going to push the limits, and I think for fall, this might work for me. The next lipstick we have is from Colored Rain, and this is a brand that we know. We get it in a lot of Ipsy, and I've tried several of their eye products. I don't think I've ever tried one of their lipsticks. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, and I received this in Whipped. And that is Whipped, and that is what the box looks like. I love lipsticks. I won't ever buy lipsticks anymore because I get so many in my boxes, and I just love lipsticks. Oh, this packaging is gorgeous. That is so classy looking. I love that. Isn't that pretty? And it's got the Colored Rain on it. It's heavy. I love that look. And this is another one that's just right there, kind of between a rust and a burgundy. We're going to put it right next to the other one. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. This is absolutely a color I can wear. That is gorgeous. You're looking at my fall lips, everything that you'll be seeing in my videos, right there on my hand. That is gorgeous. And our last lippy is from Mented, Nude La La Matte. And it says Nude La La Matte on the side, so I'm not sure if part of that is the color. Let's get in it and find out. The packaging looks slightly familiar, so I'm familiar with that. It feels kind of rubberized though, and it says Mented. I hope I can get that so you guys can see it. There you go. It says Mented on the side. Yeah, it says the color is Nude La La Matte, and it's in the same family as the other ones we have, but we'll put it right next to it, and then we can compare the three. It actually is the darkest of the three, but from a warmth scale, it kind of falls right between the other two. So this is this one. So this is the Propa or Propa Beauty, this is the Colored Rain, and this is the Mented. These two are definitely better for me, but I will be trying all three because of the three on the back of my hand, this one actually looks like it has the best formula. It has the most satin and shine to it. I like it. So I will be trying all of these. I suspect you are looking at my fall wardrobe of lips right there. Wow, let me tell you, I just got this out to clean the back of my hand so we could do more swatching, and I've gotten all of the lipstick off, but can you guys see? This is the Colored Rain in the middle. It's stained. I am not getting that off. I mean, I have been trying with the cleansing wipe. It's not coming off. I personally like that because I think it gives you more staying power even once it starts wearing on your lips, but It's stained. Next we have, how pretty is this? A Zodiac Cosmetics. I just love these Trendmood boxes. And it comes like a little present. This packaging is so gorgeous. And this does not say what it is. It just tells me that the color is Zeus. Well, I'm going to tell you that looking at it from the outside, I am assuming because of size that it is a highlighter, but it is not going to work for me. So I'm going to undo this and hope that it's sealed. Yeah. So that is what the inside looks like. And can you see how shiny that is? That is gorgeous. And I could use it as a single eyeshadow periodically, but that won't be appreciating it enough. So I'm going to close this back up and she's going in a giveaway because that is gorgeous and somebody should get to enjoy it for what it is. Next we have by OPV a metal and liquid glitter, and I have it in Olivia. I think I remember seeing this on the page, and it was a liquid glitter eyeliner. And like I said, I got it in Olivia. Wow, that is amazing. Yeah, we're going to try it because I'm going to have the best eyes in town at Christmas. This is, I mean, is that Christmas red or is that Christmas red? That is gorgeous. Let's see how it works as an eyeliner. Oh, that is amazing. Wow. This is going to be so much fun. I was trying to put a little wing on the end of this to make it look like an eyeline. I really hope that my camera can do this justice. Of course, I drew it so it'll be upside down for you guys. Yeah. That is what that looks like. Is that not the coolest? That will be so pretty at Christmas with just like a cream color eye and then this with some long lashes. That is so much fun. I might have to try it before then. Okay, next we have another Colored Rain product called Smoke Show. And this is an eyeshadow palette. It's really got some heft to it. It feels really nice. And when we open it up, it has a little mirror in the top. These are so wearable. I love that. So this is Cloudy, Naked Eye, Smokescreen, Tora, Flammable, and Showtime. And I think they're all mattes except for the Smokescreen. The black one looks like it has just a little bit of glitter in it. Let's swatch them. Oh, very creamy and nice. So when we swatch them, the top three, that black is amazing. You can't even hardly see the first two. This is Cloudy, Naked Eye, and that's Smoke Show. You can barely see the first two. They're almost the color of my skin, which is what I love. I love that as a base before I put my other colors on. So the fact that I have two choices, that's fantastic. And the bottom three colors are Torch, Flammable, and Showtime. Oh, that green. That green is green. That is gorgeous. So that is what those look like. I will absolutely be using this green. This green on my lid with this at Christmas. I think I might need a little Christmas in my life right now. What do you think? And that is the Colored Rain Smoke Show. I am anxious to try that and see how it blends out with brushes. Even with my finger, there was a little kick up. So I'm kind of anxious to see how the colors play with brushes, but we will check that out. And last, and probably what caught my eye the most about this box is the OPV Beauty Born to Shine. And it actually is OPV Beauty London Born to Shine. And see how huge that is? Yeah, it's a blush palette. Yeah, this was the other OPV product. It has a plastic overlay on it, so let's get in here. I can see as I'm looking at the back of it, it says it's made in Korea. You can use it for 36 months after you've opened it. Wow. All right, so out of the box, it just looks the same as the box. And when we open it up, it is gorgeous. I saw this online and I was like, I have got to have that. And I'm here to tell you, these are the biggest pans of blush I have ever seen. I'm going to cover up this mirror because it doesn't want to bend completely back, but that is the blushes. How gorgeous is that? The answer is so gorgeous. These colors are, I mean, there's something for everybody here, and it's got the little stars stamped into it, but we've kind of got a bright Barbie type pink and then a more muted mauve. And this one, these two are matte. This one is shiny and it's kind of a burgundy-ish. And then this is a deep corally color. And then this is a super dark burgundy color. And then this one also has shimmer to it, and it's called Keep Calm. And it's a little orange, but I'm here to tell you how gorgeous would some of these be as eyeshadows too. I mean, this one as an eyeshadow. Yeah, definitely. Okay, let's swatch them. I'm going to do them a little backwards since I already went ahead and put this one on me. So this is the bottom row I'm doing first. These feel so creamy and nice. So the corally one is called Unstoppable. The burgundy one is called Positive. This gorgeous kind of, it's a cross between rust and orange. It's called Keep Calm. Look how gorgeous those are. Those are beautiful. I mean, tell me, as an eye, they're just beautiful. They go on really well. Wow. I love that. I thought when I ordered this that once I opened it, I might actually have to use it as a giveaway, but no, this is gorgeous. I mean, even this, you look at that and you think, yeah, that's definitely not her color, but I think in an eye, I think that's gorgeous. Okay, now the top row, that pink on the left is called Uplifting. The kind of mauve one in the middle is called Light. And then that burgundy-ish shimmer one on the right is called Smile. How beautiful are those? These are stunning. Let's put them here. Oh my goodness. Even the darker one, this one is completely usable as blush. These are gorgeous. I love that. These are so buildable. I just played with them a little bit. So even with my super pale skin, I think I can use all 5 of those pinks in different ways as blushes. And then this orange as an eyeshadow. I have not been so happy with a blush palette in so long. That is absolutely stunning. So that is the last box that Trendmood just did, and this is the one that was the Black-owned brands that she did to support the NAACP. All of the profits are going toward them, which I think is fantastic. We received in it the OPV Beauty Born to Shine Gorgeous Blush Palette, the Smoke Show by Colored Rain Eyeshadow Palette, the OPV Christmas, that's not what they call it, that's what I call it, Liquid Glitter Eyeliner, the Zodiac Cosmetics, I'm going to say highlighter. If I'm wrong, I'll put it here, but I feel pretty confident that it's a highlighter, but I'm going to put this in a giveaway. And then we got 3 lipsticks. We have this nice Colored Rain, the Propa or Propa Beauty, and the Minted Lip. So I think it was well worth the cost of the box. Let me know below, what do you guys think about it? Thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I will see you really soon. Take care out there, guys.